Hi, welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing great. And if you're new here, so I am Maurani Ghosh. I live in a small village in West Bengal. So you already know I am a beginner. I want to speak in English fluently without hesitation and without fear. That's why I am practicing here and I record my video regularly and I upload here. If you want to speak in English, you have to start. And as a beginner, we face lot of problems like grammatical mistakes, getting stuck, and getting mind blank. And the most important thing is lack of vocabulary. But friends, as a beginner, it's a normal thing. If we were getting stuck, if you were suffering from lack of vocabulary, if you were doing grammatical mistake, it's normal. So today I am going to talking about vocabulary. How to learn vocabulary. Because if you don't build up your vocabulary, how you can speak in English? So that's why you have to learn vocabulary. Of course, you can't learn 10 to 12 vocabulary in one day. Because if you remember 2-3 days, but after 2-3 days, you will forget it. So that's why I can say from my experience, learn one vocabulary at a time. But of course, I didn't do this. I learned vocabulary through reading and listening. Whatever I listen, whatever I learn, whatever I read, when come in front of me a new vocabulary, I learn it. I Google it. What is the meaning of the vocabulary in your own language? Like Bengali is my mother tongue. That's why I search it in Bengali. If your mother tongue is other like Hindi, Tamil, Marathi, Telugu, whatever, you can search from here and search it and learn the meaning of this vocabulary. After that, you practice this vocabulary because you learn the vocabulary, but if you will forget after 1 week, after some days, so that's why you have to remember the vocabulary. But how to remember the vocabulary? First of all, I can say you write it down in your notebook, then revise it regularly. And then another way is here. You can make a sentence with this vocabulary. And one another method is you can make a story with this vocabulary. Then you can see you will not forget this vocabulary anymore. This vocabulary you remember for a long time. So vocabulary build up is a not a easy thing, but if you do it continuously, if you maintain your consistency, then it is easy for you. So whatever you comfortable with this method, like if you are learning, if you are listening or reading something, you can learn vocabulary from there. And if you learn vocabulary separately, you learn one vocabulary in one day. Don't learn vocabulary 10 vocabulary one day and then forget you after 2-3 days. This is not working. You have to learn this vocabulary, and for your remember the vocabulary, you have to put your extra effort. Make a story, make a sentence, then you can remember the vocabulary for a long time. So if you like this video, please like this video and subscribe my channel. Tata, bye bye for today. See you in next video. Have a nice day.